Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is Matthew chapter 9, 第36句话. And this is our homework from last video. And we're going to start with our 成语 first. 阴迎 is face directly. 日安刃 is blade. R is end. 基耶解 is separate or solved. This 成语 is described that originally refers to splitting bamboo as long as the first few sections are broken. The following section will lead to the blade. Once the key problem is solved, other related problems can be easily solved. 迎刃而解 I made a sentence. Okay, make sentence 迎刃而解 Make sentence 不高的造句，自凹造，基于句造句。他is he， 是 is so he is。乌安万是特翁通，万事通 is know it all。OK， 日恩任和任何 is any problem anything。的凹到 is go to or arrived。他 him。那那 is there. 的欧都 is all. 和为会 is will or can. So 都会迎刃而解。他是万事通，任何事到他那儿都会迎刃而解。他 is he. 可安看基安见看见 so. 西与许的多的许多的 a lot of. 日恩人 is a person or people, but here is talking about many people, so crowd. 基优就 them. 罗伊安怜莫因悯怜悯 is compassion. Okay, I put head in between them and compassion. 他们恩们他们 is them. Okay, I put on in between compassion and them. 因为 is because. 他们恩们他们 is they. 可温困可无苦乐忧流乐依离困苦流离 is harassed and helpless. 日无如他翁同如同 is as or like. 一昂羊 sheep. 莫 a 没一欧有没有 is without. 莫无牧日恩人牧人 is shepherd. Okay, I put a in between without and shepherd. Okay, so makes sense in English. 一样is the same. 他看见许多人就怜悯他们，因为他们困苦流离，如同羊没有牧人一样。Okay, we have a new lessons. Okay, still on Matthew chapter 9, 马太福音第9章第37。Okay, let's say this is 37句话。Okay, we have a new 成语。Okay, 乌安万知翁重，知无主 is focus. 莫无目 I left the 3 for you, easy ones. Okay, you find out what the meanings. Okay, guys, we're gonna practice right our 成语万众瞩目。Remember, 3 people, 3人 lay together, it means crowd. Let's study our new sentence. 一无于是于是，他的为对，莫恩门特无图门徒，是我说，一凹要，是欧收的要收的，织物昂装积压价庄稼，得我多各翁工日恩人，工人是凹少。于是他对门徒说，要收的庄稼多，工人少。Okay, guys, we're going to practice right our sentence. 于是 他 Remember this one is special 他 is God, only for God. 对门徒说要收的庄稼多工人少 Okay, exciting time, homework. This homework will help you get this language, okay, in a fast way if you do the homework. Okay, download a translator. If you are new, translate each single word. Okay, only among the line you can check them together as phrases, so that will help you learn faster and easier. Okay, write 2 times and read 30 times. Of course, the more you read, the better for you. The 30 times, you don't want to miss it, right? Okay, watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. I have one here. It's called 射雕英雄传. This is a very fun one. Of course, you can watch something else. That's fine too, if it helps you. Alright, I hope you guys have fun with your homework. If you find the value of my video, give me thumbs up and remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you next Friday.